Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. Welcome back. It is September 19th. It is a Tuesday, and things have been going up in the crypto markets. People are very impressed with the rally that is coming in. They're just saying, hey, this is it. BTC is going to now consolidate at 30K, and they may be misinformed and maybe jumping the gun. We're going to get into it, and we're going to talk about what's really driving this potential rally and also what to look out for, because, hey, is this a bull trap? But before we even get into it, guys, it is very hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Please, I ask that you subscribe and also smoke that like button, whether you're watching live or watching the video after. It does help the channel out. So we're going to go right into it, guys, with the market. Boom. So what we've been monitoring is what's been happening with the global crypto market cap and where has it been leveling off. It's been 1.06 trillion just yesterday. We're now making moves up again, 1.08 trillion. I still had fear that we were going to drop below that 1 trillion mark. I still do have that fear. I know the fear and greed index is now showing, hey, that fear is in that neutral zone, right? We're just creeping up to that yellow. So I understand, but I am not fully there and fully believing that this is the rally that's going to help. Now, for those of you doing futures trading, make sure you know when to get in and when to get out. So 1.08 trillion, definitely the market has gone up. So we've been talking about this. The dominance of BTC is increasing. The dominance has hit 50% a couple of times. So, let me just check in with the chat here. Triple G's, what's going on? SK, nice to see you, buddy. Gucci boy. Hey, Teddy and the Goons. Mark Noby, always a pleasure, buddy. Thank you. The new shorts that are coming out. I know you're doing the real grunt work, making sure all the spelling is perfect. It looks fantastic. Dynastic Wolf. What's going on, Dynastic Wolf? Good evening, Goons. Hi, Gucci boy. Green Day indeed. And really, BTC is solidifying itself. And even when BTC goes down, we're seeing this dominance increase. So we have hit 50% dominance on BTC, guys, which means that people are leaving altcoins, right? We used to see BNB dominance at 3.15, 3.25, right? And now we're seeing that dominance going into BTC area. So keep an eye on that if you're looking for entry points on BTC, especially on those downtrends. And we're continuing on. Obviously, Bitcoin, biggest contender, grandfather, grandfather of all cryptos, Teddy. It's everything follows BTC. Absolutely true. We are seeing that, and some are doing better than others. But I'd like validating, BTC was there, Ethereum was there, Shiba Inu and Pepe also doing fairly well. XRP is still making moves above 50 cents, so that's always a valid thing for the XRP armies. Biggest gainers, haven't really heard of any of them, but shout out to the Graph. I love seeing that they consistently have greener days than other tokens, and Arbitrum, right? The major player, guys. We were talking about Arbitrum at 76 cents to 78 cents. We're now at 86 cents in the Arbitrum chain. This is after the whales had already left, right? The whales have left, and now this is authentic potential people coming in to support the Arbitrum chain. So we are keeping an eye on Arbitrum as well. Biggest losers, Gala just popped in here even before we're seeing a little bit of a downtrend. It's just not a positive day so far. It went from 146 all the way to 143. So we got some room to grow up basically. But today was not a positive day compared to the rest. We got to talk crypto futures. Crypto futures. I was actually trying to figure out the heat map in the crypto futures as well, but I had trouble trying to understand it. So I'm like, yeah, depending on which heat map you look at, BTC dominance may be above 50% or just close to 50%. It all depends. I'm going off of the coin market cap one, so you guys know. Let me see here. Salmo Fudd, what up, Teddy? Eco Bella, hello. I love to see it, guys. Love to see your thing. How's your guys' weeks going? Come on, fill me in. What are you guys up to? What's going on? Coochie Boy, what up, Bishop? Bro, Coochie Boy freaking killing it with BLZ. Coochie Boy is BLZ God, and he has been riding the BLZ train all the way up. And this is like, he is printing dollars like anything right now, and it is just true honesty. John Crispala, Coochie Boy, SK, these guys are real crypto futures traders, and they just know how to play the game. I even started talking to a recent trader, Aquila Traders, a man by the name of DB. Him and I have had great conversations on the tool he uses, like MetaTraders, getting very acclimated with that and how exactly it works, how easy it is to figure out stop loss and profit, and how easy it is to take profits as well, and trailing stop loss. So it definitely got interesting. I continue to wonder, if this is going to be an area that we're going to see a lot of the crypto traders migrate to, because, spot trading is just like dying off. But I mean, not dying off, but like you are seeing less and less people pushing degen or meme coins. So, but like when it comes to futures markets, people are like, hey, come open your eyes, come look at what you can do in futures. This is coming. Coochie Boy got those blazing saddles coming in hot. Absolutely. So most important thing when it comes to futures, we always look at how are the shorts compared to the longs, and BTC continues being reigning champion where the shorts are significantly higher than they normally are, which is 30.70, right? When it comes to Ethereum, you're seeing that 36.63. Not too bad. Still some bullish vibes in there. But when it comes to BTC, you see that short sentiment going up. Makes you wonder, why is the price going up when the shorts are increasing as well? Mexi watered down my fire. Bro, as soon as you get wrecked from Mexi network connection issues, that's it. You get wrecked. So now I'm looking at MetaTraders and looking at different brokers and what they offer and what tokens I can get into. But Mexi is definitely up there. But Mexi is sometimes with those internet things, you start to wonder, hey, was it really an internet issue, and you guys liquidated me? Or, is this some shady stuff going on and you just need the money? But yes, that's what we had for the market. We're going to go right into the news. And really what I want to start off with is CZ, our boy CZ. And we talked about this yesterday, where we had people that had differing opinion, right? We had the SEC saying, hey, Sefu, similar to Seifu, formerly Binance Custody, is related to Binance US and was used by Binance US as well as Binance for custody. And now we also had another article yesterday that said the opposite, where it's like, hey, Sefu is a completely different entity. Now we have CZ with words that have come out. For the record, Binance US does not use and have never used Sefu or Binance custody. So this is from CZ, who is Binance's founder and chief CEO, right? So he said this today on X. So you start to wonder, hey, what's going on? Who actually holds the custody of Binance US. Who is it? Is it Binance US themselves? Then why was this entity ever made? Why was Binance Custody ever made? Why was Cefu ever rebranded from Binance Custody? None of this stuff makes sense. Now the holes start appearing. And the major thing is the past few weeks we've been reading that the Binance US executives, top executives, legal executives, including CEO, has left Binance US, right? And you start putting pieces together, and it sounds like there's bad things coming for Binance, guys. So keep your eyes peeled when it comes to Binance and the BNB ecosystem, because all the news just ain't adding up. I do not see how all these negatives is going to form a super positive. So that's exactly what I'm trying to inform you guys right now. So very interesting statement from CZ. We'll see what ends up happening from this. The other one, keeping the rebrands going, Ripple Payments. We're not ODL anymore. We're Ripple Payments. ODL didn't get phased out. So that is what Emi Yoshikawa, Ripple's VP of Strategy and Operations, responded to when people were saying, hey, ODL was eliminated. So you guys are like, Teddy, what's ODL? ODL was on demand liquidity. It was literally a section on their site where they had services that they offered for LP and moving transactions. Then they somehow merged, they got rid of this section, or they rebranded this section on the website, and they're now calling it Ripple Payments. So it makes you think like what exactly is going on that they needed to do this. So why they did it? ODL is a word that is difficult to understand at first glance for outsiders. So we have decided to consolidate it into the term Ripple Payments. This is a trend in the transition from crypto-like jargon to more mainstream. And we've been seeing this time and time again. People, even WagMe, right? Shout out to the WagMe CEO there. I know he's doing crazy moves. But he comes in and he's like, hey, don't even worry about NFT. It's just a fancy technology. Don't even worry about it. Screw the NFT part. Don't worry about that. And I think that's exactly what they're doing. Screw all these fancy jargon, making it hard for investors to come in, dumb it down, make it easy. And that's what Ripple's doing. So shout out to the XRP army. We love to see it. And hopefully this is a different situation than the Binance rebrand of Binance Custody to Cefu versus ODL to Ripple Payment. So I don't think there's any custody involved on this second side. So we're going to keep going here. And guys, if you're just joining the stream, make sure you smoke that like button. It does help that channel out. It helps us grow. You, the master of sparking up those spikes, dude. He absolutely is. Maxi Limited. Oh yeah, that's right. Maxis Leverage trading on BLZ is now 15x. That's the minimum. Yep, that makes it take 6 times longer to double your position. Yeah, that's exactly right. Takes a little longer now, buddy. No, I'm just kidding. You'll be fine. Don't worry. I know how you is. So I want to talk about this. SK is the man of the last few articles. Every article today that has came out is from SK, my travel. And what he's informed me, especially in the morning, or not in the morning, I think it's more closer to the afternoon, is, hey, Teddy, there are things happening on the Ethereum side where ICO, and we talked about ICO, right? Ethereum ICO, and we talked about it yesterday when it came up during the Ripple news and the big whistleblower coming out with the ICO, right? They're saying there is a whale that has now moved 10,000 Ethereum out, and just a while later, another 10,000 Ethereum out. And this is one of the original guys that got into Ethereum when it was initial coin offering. So this literally happened 2 outs gone. So he's only got another 10,000 left, and these things went to exchanges, meaning that they're gonna sell them, and most likely just cash out. And if that is true, that is very sad for the Ethereum whales. But you lose one, maybe you gain another one. Let's see. They're just smaller whales now, Teddy. They're thing of shrimp. So keeping an eye on it. I love that that there are people that continue to watch wallets, and don't forget. So whale deposit 6,000. This just keeps happening. People are watching the whales. You got to know what these whales are doing. They're in the game to make money, and they want to make more money. So if you follow the right wallets, we make some good money. Okay, so that was that. Let me go over. So the other fun one, Citigroup launches digital token. It's finally happening. Mainstream banks are coming in. They're gonna invest, Teddy, and it's gonna be the greatest thing. Yes, I want to believe it too, and it is happening. It is really, really happening. We have seen it. Watcher Guru confirmed it as well. But there's a Citi token service as part of their journey to deliver real time and always on next generation transaction banking services to our institutional clients. So this is for the institutional clients. There is no end user yet. It's not coming directly to us, but it is great to see that they're embracing that blockchain technology and continuing to push it forward. And especially when you got a big payment bank like Citigroup, you start to wonder who's next and what other blockchain technologies are these guys going to embrace. So I'd love to see that, and I want to continue this narrative of banks launching their own blockchain systems. I think that is definitely the right move. And then finally, Binance. You just can't get away from bad news from Binance. So some people have talked about that the PaySafe service was ending September 25th. Well, supposedly some of those users are getting messages from uh, when they're withdrawing that their account is closed, and there's really nothing that can be done because they have to start a review now. And it's not an automated process. These guys that sold their tokens on Binance, right, in the EU, can now not withdraw the tokens that they sold because they just can't. They may not have the euros to cover that, and it's a scary situation because you start wondering, this was supposed to end September 25th, but already these guys are saying your account's closed and you can't even withdraw. um I don't know. So, as a high frequency PaySafe service user, PaySafe close your account early to speed up this process. Any remaining EUR/GBP in your, which is the pound and the euro, right, in your account can be withdrawn once the review is completed. So, people are not happy with any of these statements happening from Binance. So, as long as I'm really hoping Binance has enough to cover everything for these users to withdraw. But now with the SEC case, with all this custody stuff that's happening, you start to wonder if there's legitimacy or if there's something happening that we just need to be ready for. So if you guys got to pull out from Binance, make sure you are. Make sure you are. Don't be left holding the bag because we're going to be out. So yes, that's it for news. We're gonna go over to the chats. Teddy, I need to look at the chats because BTC has made moves. Is it going to keep going? That is the question everyone's got. And really, what we look for is the last high versus the last low, right? So we know the last high was 28, let me see, 28,161, and the last low in this current period being 24,877. So I'm just gonna throw up the fib retracement here just to kind of understand where we have to go and where we are currently and why the fib retracement is used by so many. All right, so here we go. Fib retracement Stick with me, goons. We're adding an indicator in here, fib retracement, and what we're looking for is these levels on the left, which is the 0.786, which is 27,461, 0.618, which is 26,912, and the 0.5, which is 26,526. Almost everything underneath is just different levels at 2614 and 25,662, which is the first level of resistance or support that comes in on the fib retracement. So why I charted it like this, I went from the last high to the last low in our current time frame to kind of do some predictions on what could happen, right? And the level that we're in, which shout out to Aquila Traders, DB, he basically informed me about this 0.618 level. This is that 0.618 level, which is that make it or break it level. And you really have to watch whether BTC is able to stay above this 0.618 level in this current time period. So if I'm doing predictive analysis for the next few days and I'm seeing it's in this 0.618 levels, I'm either one, I'm instantly going, hey, this is a crucial level and I need to start shorting BTC now, or I'm looking at this and I go, hey, this is a great level and I think there is a rally coming that it's going to skyrocket and retest the previous high, which came in at 28,161. So when you see it on the fib retracement, knowing other traders are also looking at the same fib retracement that you have drawn, and you're in this 0.618 level, all this will tell us in the next few days if 27,461 holds. Yes, potentially the rally is really in, and we're gonna have a great few weeks. But if this 0.618 level doesn't hold and we retrace back down, there is a lot of bleeding to come. There's a lot of bleeding to come. The reason I've been saying this is this could be the potential waterfall down that we have seen in the past. We could be here getting ready to go here, which is basically going from 30K to 24K, 6K loss. So the same thing here, right? We could be at 27 going all the way down, guys, to 21, 321s. This is a realistic area that is plausible for BTC to get to if we do not hold in this 27 range, especially above 27K. This is literally going to be it. So I am going to leave the BTC fib retracement on here just to keep an idea on what's going. McGuire, what's going on? Nice to see you, buddy. Let me go on here. So Ethereum. You guys know I love Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum sentiment to change, even with the green candles coming in, Indian oscillator has just narrowed. We are seeing that HARSI climb up. We're in that 7 range. Keeping an eye on it. You know, it's the 30. That's usually that overbought area. But nothing has indicated a true change, especially when it comes to Indian oscillator. I think there's more room to bleed. We still have a short signal overall in the triple G indicator. So moving on here, BNB, I've been telling you, Teddy's gonna pick it up under 200. It's just I'm not having that great luck to grab it. So I do believe there's some consolidation happening from the rally, but I do believe in this short signal that has formed. I see a narrow band crossover on the Andean. I'm not getting caught up by it. I still going with my gut feeling that this will come down as well. Let me see here. So XRP. You guys know I've had these levels for quite some time. I basically never change them. We are testing 51.51 as we speak. If we hold above 51.51, yay, rallies in. If we do not, which I don't believe we will, because it is following that Ethereum trend, Indian oscillator still showing that bearish sentiment. I personally feel 44 cents still, guys. I do believe it's going to retrace. So let's keep an eye on XRP as well. Sheeb. Shibarium. It's we're gonna make it all back. Unfortunately, we haven't made it all back. Similar to Pepe, even with the rally coming in, Shib and Pepe are pretty much stagnant. Nothing's happening. If anything, people are just dumping on us and moving on to other projects. And you can see that in both projects. So straight charts are similar for that exact reason. You are seeing small rally here, and keep in mind, Pepe basically following the same exact uh, pattern. Maybe the candles don't line up 100%, but Pepe's doing this without any utility. Shibarium needing the utility to keep itself going, So very big difference here. Let me see. Doge, I just need Elon to. You guys already know how we feel about Doge. And I know Red Sox not here, so we're not going to talk about Crow. All right, let me bring up. We're going to move along here to what's new. What's new, Teddy? Because I do want to check in on some of those tokens we got into yesterday. Just let me quickly go over to the watch list just to see how we're doing. So 24 hours, it was the deck sniffer trading bot, which we were supposed to make it all back, and we got wrecked. So liquidity basically very little, below launch price, and this guy made 6.43 ETH. So damn, we did not do good there. So I'm sorry, buddies. So next we got Binance versus SEC, and I was really feeling this one as soon as like the stream ended. Basically it went sour. No liquidity, so another failed degen thing. And now I'll show you one more, which is shown down, which was trending during that last hour when we were streaming yesterday. Remember, all these tokens we're looking at, it's only been one single day. In one single day, this is the change you're seeing. Dude, this is falling below launch price. Like whatever profits we had then, we should have taken it then, but it is far far less than we intended. There is still liquidity there, more liquidity than market cap. You can get your money back, I guess, but still not a good uh, thing overall. So main watch list, you guys know Pepper. This is one of the things SK had shilled us. We've been keeping an eye on it. I do think it is done. I am no longer feeling that Pepper is going to come back for a reversal, but I got my hopes. The other one being Boost Coin. I think my level didn't hold here, but on Boost Coin, we got in fairly early. We retraced to our levels of entry. So when it comes to market cap, doing very well at almost 1 million market cap. All the LP is 126K. So Boost Coin could have been a good hit. I really wish we sold out when it went all the way up during the first day. And now let's actually go look at the last hour on the chain. And oh man, there's a lot of tokens that meet our filter criteria. And this one stands off right off the bat. Iggy Inu, 3 minutes in, 114K in LP. And it looks like they got 4 buys. That's it. What is going on with this token? What do these guys know that I don't know? I'm keeping an eye on this. Oh wow! As soon as I got in, it shot up, boys. Oh man! It's not by much, but still. What are people doing? What is happening? What is they? Is this a honeypot or something? I don't know. We're gonna add this to our degen list. There's a lot of LP in this, 115K, and market cap's only 57K. That's wild. Can I get a 30-cent BLZ by the weekend? Dude, you absolutely could. Floki been doing well, huh? I don't actually normally look at Floki. I gotta check out Floki. Has it been doing well? You tell me. Do I have Floki on here sometimes? No, I don't actually normally follow Floki, so I don't think I do. Let me see. Okay. Ooh, I mean, doing well is I guess on the eye of the beholder here. To me, not doing so well, but to you, I guess doing fairly well. Dude, what the heck doing well, bro? Come on. It's below launch price. We're never coming back from this, man. Maybe we do. Maybe Floki's gonna overtake everything. Who knows? All right, so Iggy Inu, are we gonna make it all back? I've added you to my list. Let's see what else. Grayons, Grayons, 4.2K, 5K, 5K, 101K, baby tip. Dude, what the heck? Almost no one's actually, no one's even, yeah, no one's actually buying this. What the heck is going on then? All right, let me see. Pepe AI 3.3. Nah. That's it. I'm only looking at that one. I don't like any of the other ones. They all seem like rugs. Fluffy unicorn. Screw it. Maybe fluffy unicorn. Nah. Teddy, don't do this to yourself. It's already had its run. It's down 50% in the last 5 minutes. It's very rare you see. Oh, this one, Shocky, is doing fairly well. Shocky. 18K market cap, 2.7K LP. Maybe. We'll keep an eye on it. XYZ, 12K, 28% up. What's XYZ? We're going to make it all back with XYZ, boys. Nope, nothing. What the? Hello? What's going on? Oh, okay. Yep, so it is going fairly well for us when it comes to blue chips, but when it comes to degenning and what's new, we have been getting wrecked left and right. We're gonna make it all back, and that's the goal, Teddy. We're gonna make it all back. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't see anything else. So yeah, that's it for this. We're gonna move over to Goon Time. Goon Time is your time. Anything you want me to look at, anything you want my opinion on, you ask me now, you tell me now, and I will give it to you. Otherwise, I leave and then you go sad, and I will see you again tomorrow. No, I'm just kidding. No, but realistically, I would see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. I stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you guys are always coming back to come hang out with the goons, because who else are you gonna hang out with? Gotta hang out with me, boys. Come on. Keep the goons together. Goons strong together, boys. BLZ and KAS, sir. Okay, BLZ and KAS. We'll first look at BLZ on this chat. BLZ. I'll do the Maxi USDT futures because I know this is what you're looking at. We are looking at a long position, the Andean oscillator off the charts. It is so whack right now. Everything is showing an up buy signal. I think you're even in the oversold when it comes overbought when it comes to the HARSI. Be very careful. I don't know when the top is, but it looks like they've got momentum going up, and we love to see that. So they did come down from their initial launch price. Are they going to finally get to their launch price? That is the question at hand. So 20 cents. I know you said 30 cents. Potentially 30 cents is achievable. Potentially 30 cents is achievable. So I'm looking at the last time frame and the last low and the last high. I'm going to bring out my fib retracement. I'm going from the last high to the last low, and this is before takeoff, and I'm just extending my fib retracement just a little bit, And I want to show you that 0.618, shout out to Tequila Traders DB. If this is what should happen, even in BTC, this is that area that would tell us, hey, if we break through 0.618, we skyrocket up. Usually that's what that indicates. But if we linger at 0.618 area, nothing happens, we retrace down. Usually it means you're going to downtrend a lot. So when it comes to fib retracement, you're above this one. You're looking at the last few highs and lows. This is this predictive analysis that people use in fib retracement. So when I look at BLZ, and I see, hey, in the fib retracement, you're at 1.618. I'm taking profits. If I'm already in profits, let it ride. 30 cents is definitely achievable. You've already broken initial level of support. And I mean, resistance turned to support at 20. If 20 holds, then yeah, 30 is your next level, man. Very well attainable if this volume and everything holds for BLZ. So definitely the thing. Teddy, did you check on Tip Token? No, I did not. SK, I did not. I have to check. I will probably check most likely today after the stream. I was basically working and I couldn't take a look, and I plan to do it too, but I will take a look. I promise. Yeah. So BLZ. What was the other one here? KAS. Casper. Dude, the Casper community on TikTok is wild, bro. They're coming for me. I see them. I see them all the time, and I'm like, I see you. I see you. Yeah, but shout out to the Casper community. Love to see that the support, especially when it comes to all the TikTok and YouTube shorts I've been making. I do see it is being sent in the community, and I love to see it any way I can help. But make sure you guys are doing your own research before you get in. And as you guys know, Caspa, another one we've been watching. Indian oscillator throws it in that long positions across the board, giving you that bullish sentiment. So regardless of market, Caspa doing fairly okay, making levels up. Yep. So feeling fairly bullish on Caspa as well. Let me see. So tip token, did it actually come out, SK? Let me see. I know you sent it to me. We can learn about it together, boys. Dun, 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 dun. 1 second. I am just gonna put this up on screen so we can take a look at it as well. So SK told me BTC stepchild, lol, get the heck out of here. I'm just saying it can follow. This is what BTC needs to do for it to go up. Let me see here. All right, so this is the oh dang, 212k followers, and here's the CA earn points. Make sure to mention tip or hashtag tip. And these are the tokenomics, September 13th tip. Reminder, Epoch 1 claim ends in 24 hours. Any unclaimed tokens will be burnt forever. Drop a GM. We've been listed on CMC, and they're already on CMC. Oh, wow. Oh, yep. 3083. Market cap is not reported. Let me see. I'm gonna bring this up here. Tip. Tip, Teddy, tip. Oh, dang. 307k NLP, 8.1 million market cap. I mean, that's not bad, man. It really isn't bad. So, what do these guys actually? All right, so let's see. Should you buy? So this is from Crypto Archive, 9.94k subs. Dang, man, this guy freaking killing it. 100 views to join the airdrop. Is this legit? to join the airdrop? I don't know. But Tipcoin is next. Let's just quickly listen to this. Tipcoin, Teddy. Tipcoin, Teddy. We're going to make it all back with Tipcoin, Teddy. We're going to fast forward a little ahead.
You can follow me on Twitter, and I'll tweet all of that before
It's
making
called
the
X,
videos.
buddy.
I'll also share tweets when I'm trading and all of that. It's something I'm pretty much just always doing, not just always talking about. I really love new inventions and development of the blockchain.
Okay.
Of followers, but usually that's just, a bunch of bot followers and so on. But it seems like some of them are real.
Oh man, when he made the video, 181.
Before we have a look at the tokenomics, I want to go ahead and show you guys exactly what this project is all about. The future of social interaction. Well, I don't know about that, but it has a really, really clever mechanic. So how this works is that the project will give you an airdrop of tokens based on how many interactions you have on Twitter. So you basically connect your Twitter account. I'm actually going to do that now for you guys. I'm already connected, and I would be able to claim. I would be able to look at mentions and so on here soon for the next epoch. So they can basically show you here directly on the main page how this works. If you get views, likes, replies, quotes, and retweets, you will get multiplications and you will get points. And then you can use those points in order to redeem or claim tokens at the end of the epoch. And how this works is that they run.
Bro, that is wild. So basically, you got to do stuff on Twitter to get points. Those points translate to tokens, and then you get those tokens that you can dump on people. But you didn't even have to add any money or anything. Where's the money coming from?
Run epochs with a certain amount of time. I think it's like a week or a little bit longer. Yeah, it's a week. So once a week they run an epoch, and then you can claim your tokens. Basically free airdrops every week. But the big thing here is that the way...
Yeah, it's basically free airdrops every week. But where are they getting the LP, and why not? Why wouldn't someone just sell all the tokens? Unless, how many tokens are they giving you, or what's considered free?
To get the airdrop is basically to advertise the project. Now, I'm not saying that this is the...
Okay, well, that basically explains what's going on there. So, yeah, you got to advertise the project, and that is how these guys get money. I mean, money as in, like, more people are going to buy in, and they just have to give a little bit of reward. And they know people may purchase it to get into that 100x, 200x. But if it's a rewards token based, no LP coming in, you're giving out the reward. At some point, all those reward tokens are going to be dumped on. It's so hard to say. I got to figure out the full business model. Let's see, Tipcoin, keeping an eye on it. Guys, I am out of here. I will see you again tomorrow. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Don't forget. We stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. I will see you tomorrow. You can't be a hero. Don't get rug pulled. And most importantly, don't do those things that you want to do. Just don't do it. Just stick to your guts. Don't be a freaking hero. I just see you guys time and time again. Teddy, I'm going to be a hero. I'm going to be like, nah, bro, don't be the hero. Don't do it. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Get informed.